Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friend, first vacancy is from Combined Defense Services Examination, non-technical stream. Name of post is Lieutenant. Qualification asked is graduation. Here age limit for IMA is that you should be born between 2nd January 2001 to 1st January 2006. And for OTA, you should be born between 2nd January 2000 to 1st January 2006. There are 100 vacancies in IMA and 293 vacancies in OTA. Place of posting is all over India. Friend, these are permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Here package will be 14 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 9th January 2024. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your PSU examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And for non-technical preparation, kindly visit PSU exam prep. There we are having reasoning master course for PSU examination. It will help you for your preparation in your examination. Discount code and website link is mentioned in the description. I wish you all the best for your examination. And next vacancy is from Combined Administrative Services Examination, CSIR. Name of post is Assistant Section Officer, General Stream, FNA and SNP stream. Qualification asked is university degree, that is basically a graduation degree. Upper age limit is 33 years. There are 368 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friend, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 9.2 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 14th January 2024. Friend, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Section Officer for General Stream, FNA and SNP. Qualification asked is also the same. That is your graduation degree. Age limit is 33 years. There are 76 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Again, it's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Here package will be 10.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from NHPC Limited. Name of post is Trainee Officer Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 8 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Package will be 15 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 22nd January 2024. And next vacancy is from National Fertilizers Limited. Name of post is Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is graduation with CA, CMA or MBA, PGDM, PG, DBM with major specialization in finance with minimum 60% marks and 50% for reserve category candidates. Age limit is 30 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience with 7.12 lakh CTC. Package is 13 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date of making application is 19th January 2024. And next vacancy is from Uttar Gujarat Viz Company Limited. Name of post is Deputy Superintendent Accounts. Qualification asked is 55% in CA, CMA, MCOM or MBA Finance. Age limit is 40 years and 45 years for women candidate. There are 8 vacancy for ST category candidate. Place of posting is in Gujarat. And these are permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here pay scale will start from 35,700 to 82,100. Mode of application is online and last date is 22nd January 2024. And next vacancy is from NTPC Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Age limit is 37 years. There are 25 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. But these are permanent vacancy. You need to have 7 years of experience, out of which 3 years should be in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000 or equivalent in private sector. Pay scale per month is 60,000 to 1,80,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 18th January 2024. And next vacancy is from Odisha Construction Corporation Limited. Name of post is Senior Accountant. Qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter. But here you should also have a studied Odia language. Age limit is 38 years. There are 15 vacancy. Place of posting is in Odisha. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here your basic pay will start from 35,400 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 25th January 2024. Friend, next vacancy is again from Odisha Construction. Here the name of post is Accounts Clerk. Qualification asked is degree in commerce with minimum 50% marks. Per age limit is 38 years. There are 13 vacancy. Place of posting is in Odisha. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience experience asked. Package will be 21,700 per month. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. And next vacancy is again from Odisha Construction. Here the name of post is clerk. Qualification asked is degree in any discipline with minimum 50% marks. Here upper age limit is 38 years. There are 3 vacancy and place of posting is in Odisha. Rest all details are same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing. Here name of post is assistant registrar. Qualification asked is postgraduate degree with at least 55% marks. Desirable is that you should have a professional qualification in the area of management or finance and account. Upper age limit is 45 years. There is 1 vacancy for EWS category candidate. Place of posting is in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Nature of employment is permanent. You don't need any prior experience, but desirable is that you should have experience in exams, accounts, admin, R&D, etc. Package is 13 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 25th January 2024 and by post it should reach their office by 5th Feb 2024. And next vacancy is from again same organization. Here the name of post is junior assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with knowledge of computer operations. Age limit is 27 years. Friends, there are 13 vacancy. Place of posting is in Jabalpur. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Package will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application and last date is same as that of previous vacancy. From next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Name of post is assistant manager. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks. Age limit is 35 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is in Shillong. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years of experience. Here package is 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and last date is 29th January 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.